Have you ever looked at the price of a pre-built shed at a big box store and felt sick? $2,000, $3,000, even $5,000 for a simple wooden box? Most people want the extra storage a shed provides, but they feel trapped between paying those insane prices or trying to build one themselves using free plans that are missing half the steps. The truth is, building a shed without a professional plan is a nightmare. You end up making 4 trips to the hardware store in one day because you didn't have a materials list. You waste hundreds of dollars on wood you cut incorrectly because the measurements were wrong. In the end, many people give up, leaving a half-finished eyesore in their backyard. But what if you had a master carpenter standing right over your shoulder? That is exactly what Ryan's Shed Plans offers. This is the world's largest collection of shed blueprints, over 12,000 of them. It was created by Ryan Henderson to solve the exact problem of bad plans. These are designed so that even if you have never picked up a saw in your life, you can build a professional-grade shed. The secret sauce here is the step-by-step instructions. Ryan calls them Lego-style plans. You get a complete material and cutting list for every project. This means you buy exactly what you need, not a penny more, and you know exactly where every single nail goes. You get 3D CAD views, so you can see the finished project from every angle before you even start. Think about the value here. By building it yourself with these plans, you can save 60 to 70% of the cost of a pre-built shed. Plus, you're building a structure that is actually sturdier and will last longer. You're solving your storage problem, clearing out your garage, and adding real property value to your home. It's a win for your wallet and your backyard. If you are ready to stop dreaming and start building, don't waste another day on free plans that don't work. Click the link in the description below to get instant access to the entire 12,000 plan library, plus the woodworking bonuses. This is the most complete shed building resource on the planet. Get started on your project today.